3, go. Okay, hi, I'm Mike Cleveland. It's good to see you guys again. I'm just going to bring up Facebook. So, real quick here. Facebook. Yes, as I said, this is Mike Cleveland. It's been a while since I've been doing these videos and stuff like that. I don't know why Facebook is not coming up, but it's not coming up. Oh, there we go. Just a delay. This is an older computer that I have here. Let me do something here. Okay, yeah. So, today I wrote in my Facebook post, as you see me, I have a cell phone there. I wrote in my Facebook post, I hold in my hand a powerful tool. That tool is a smartphone. If you have a smartphone, you can do business online. Okay, a cell phone has everything you need to do business online. If you have one of these, I said, you can make money. Two things stop you from being successful more than anything. Those two things are lack of knowledge and not applying that knowledge. Use what you have to change your situation. So basically all I'm saying is that you've been given some things that you have already that you can use to become successful, and all you need is a cell phone. And I mean, you got to somehow be able to get on the internet in order to apply to business opportunities, and even to be able to do that, you need at least a cell phone to register, or you probably could, and to check things, and I mean, you can even get response and write emails with your cell phone, because Get Response has an app for your phone. Most businesses and things have apps for your phone. You can run things from your phone. It's just that simple, and phones are becoming bigger and bigger. My cell phone here. So I just wanted to share that with you. Now, the thing I really wanted to talk about, and I've been thinking about this, I'm in a Facebook group. Somewhere on here we have my groups. Let's see if I can get to them. Yeah, groups. Okay, so I'm probably in over 200 groups, but certain groups I'm in, they're for my business related opportunities that I'm in. And the groups are formed in order to keep help out new people and to get questions answered. Now, as I'm in my groups, I hear all sorts of questions, and I know that these people, from their questions, because the question people poses can tell where someone is in their marketing experience and business experience. I'll tell you some of the questions I get. Some of the questions I get, or that come through the group, are I have all these leads. I've been marketing and I've been doing solo ads, and I have all these leads, and I don't know what to do with all these leads. Leads are just that. They're leads to share your business opportunity with and to follow up with. People pay big money for just leads. Okay, so I'm not here to answer that question here, but I'm just telling you, you can tell where somebody is in their journey, in their marketing journey. And then another one is, I hear, and you probably heard this before too, is I can't find my sponsor. And then I remember one person retorted back to this person, okay, so what if your sponsor is as brand new as you are and don't know anything about marketing? What are you going to do then? So here I have some questions, because really what a mentor will do is they will give you laser focus to ask the right questions. Okay, the hard questions, the questions you don't want to ask, or you don't know of. So they're going to give you the correct answers that's going to get you moving along in your marketing experience faster than asking what you have leads and you don't even know what to do with the leads. I mean, that's a good question. No, there's no stupid question, because when we know better, we do better. So you have to start somewhere. It's like learning how to ride a bike, or anything else. You got to start from somewhere. But I'm here to help you in your journey, and move forward and faster. So I wrote down somewhere. I wrote down some questions. Yeah, let me grab those questions. Okay, so when it comes to investing in a home-based business, most people will say, do I have enough money to, that's their question they would have to themselves. They would make to themselves, if I don't have, maybe it's a high ticket $1,000 or $2,000. I joined the one program where it was $2,000 to just the fee to get in and to become a reseller of a home study course, and it had different levels. And I took the $2,000 package because I wanted to be positioned at the highest level, and that's where you would make the most money. But every other level underneath that, you can make money off those levels. So that's another thing, is being positioned at the highest level. And most people would say, well, do I have enough money? As opposed to asking, the correct question would be, how can I get the money? How to get the money? Then you can figure out ways to get the money you need to invest. As opposed to say, do I have the most money? If the answer is no, then you're stuck, right? You're stuck there. But if you ask, how can I get the money? Then you can come up with some solutions on how to get the money you need. It might be working a part-time job. It might be borrowing. I know of a guy that was homeless. He joined one program. He said over time he made $500,000. He didn't even have a home to live in. He made $500. Where did he get the money from? I guess he didn't ask the question, do I have enough money? He probably asked the question, how can I get the money to invest in this company? But he made $500,000 in one program, and then he joined a new program, one in which I'm a member of, and he has made, in about 8 months, he has made about $100,000 in that one company, and he was homeless. So you got to ask the right question. A better question, so remember this, a better question to ask than do I have enough money is, how can I get the money? Maybe you have to borrow the money, borrow it from a relative, whatever. Beg, borrows, I'm not going to say steal, but beg, borrow, do whatever you have to do to get that money. If it's a good investment, invest in yourself. Okay. Then the other question, like I said before, that I hear a lot in this group is, where is my sponsor? A better question would be, how can I succeed at this? And then go and look all over, research how to succeed at your particular business opportunity that you're in. I did a video the other day, just yesterday, a matter of fact, I posted on how can you succeed by just asking Google a question on how can I succeed with blank, whatever the blank would be filled in with whatever your opportunity is, your business opportunity. So you just put the name in there, how can I succeed with, or how can I make money with, and then you put that in there, because there's people on the web that are having success and they're sharing what they're doing. And if you learn what they're doing and apply what they're doing, you should, if you apply it and if you do it massively and consistently, you should have some kind of success. Maybe not right off the bat, because it takes time to learn stuff, and also it takes consistency over time. Okay, so the better question, just to let you know, is where I hear new people say, "Where's my sponsor?" The better question is, how can I succeed with blank? And then go to Google, and Google is going to give you the answers with a lot of people talking. Google just heard me. Cancel that, Google. Okay, now the third thing. Here's a result from Google. Okay, the third thing that question that I hear people asking a lot is, and this is for people who try to or are scared of creating content on social media, and Facebook and Instagram and whatever, and you have to break out of this fear. But it's will people like my post? Okay, that's what people are internalizing. They might not say this stuff out loud, but they're internalizing. Will people like my post if I put this up here? Does it really matter? Especially if you ask the right question. A better question would be, will what I post help people I am trying to connect with? If you're helping people, people are going to be drawn to you. If you got the solutions people need, people are going to be drawn to you. So that would be a better question to ask yourself. What will help the people? And then you just post what you learn that you think can help somebody else. And you just do that over time, and people are going to see you as someone who has answers to their question. And you can post your, every now and then post your business opportunity, and people might follow you. Okay. So success leaves crumbs. So that's my motto going forward. My success leave crumbs. It's not that the knowledge is not out there. It's just that when the knowledge appears, when you hear people say things, you have to apply that. You have to have the intestinal fortitude to apply what people are telling you that's working, and then try it out for yourself. And then pick one or two of those things that's working, and then apply that to your business. And over time, you can apply some more applications or things that will help your business to grow. So with that, I am Michael Lee Cleveland, signing out. Thank you, and you have a good day.